Philosopher friend, I have been spending a lot of time in the US of A. As you can see, I am Americanizing myself. And there's something that is very strange in America. There's a very strange point that I have noticed. Here it is. So, a lot of American people are telling us that people on welfare is bad. Welfare is a very, very bad thing because people are becoming lazy. They get used to having those help from the government, and they don't look for work. They refuse to work. They are happy to stay at home and not to be a productive element of the American economy. And I totally understand their point. But at the same time, I have noticed that a lot of American companies, if you may allow me to say so, are as well on welfare. Yes, let me tell you something. A lot of American companies are used to receive subsidies, money from the government. Yes, absolutely, money from the government, like a tax rebate for companies. Yes, that's interesting. For example, the ultra-capitalist company, for example, let's take the oil companies. Ultra-capitalist! Ha ha ha! Ultra-capitalist companies, and you see, they receive money from the state. And as soon as we say we have to cut this money to those companies who are making billions, no, right away they say, no, you cannot do that to us. Are they becoming lazy? Are they becoming a little bit socialist? They want that money from the state. They do want it. But they don't want the state to look at them. So are they becoming lazy? Are they refusing to evolve with the market? America? Oh. So let's be honest. Let's cut welfare, let's cut subsidies, let's cut tax rebates for company, and may the best win! America! America. Thank you. Bye-bye. That was Bernard-Henri Luc Ferry-Lévy, your philosopher camarade, friend. Bye-bye.